This is how to add TikTok posts in your comments to keep engagement on your content. I'm Janet, if you are new here. Open your TikTok app, click on your profile image to the bottom right corner, click the video or post you want to create a poll for, click the comment icon, click this poll icon, add your question or the topic of your poll in the text box, add your answers or your options. You can click here for more options for your answers. Click this arrow to select your poll duration, either 3 days, 7 days, or you can leave it indefinitely. After that, click Send. Now, let me open my backup account and show you how your audience will see it. When they view the post you added the poll to, in the comment section, this is how it looks. So when they vote, you will get a notification. And they can also delete their votes if they want. Then they can also write a comment to back the vote up. If I go back to my main page now, you will see the notification right in your inbox. Click it, and there you have it. Beside it, you will see the voting numbers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Bye for now.